So guys, recently I have been on a journey of health, wellness. I've been on a journey to get back my energy levels, up, to take care of my skin, my hair, healthy weight management, and also just overall health and well-being. In fact, right here you see all the new clothes that I bought while I'm on my healthy journey to a better overall lifestyle. And so in that journey, I have found Ancient Bliss. No, it's not a religion. It is actually the name of this supplement, which is their SEAMOSS with bladderwrack supplement, right? And it's actually a daily multi-mineral, and it contains all 102 essential vitamins. Now, I am from the islands. Obviously, you can hear my accent. I'm Jamaican, and SEAMOSS is well known here. SEAMOSS is actually called Irish moss, and it's perfect. It's what we use here for energy. And this is what the vitamin contains. This is literally all it contains. It's made of, the back says it's made of organic Irish sea moss and organic bladderwrack. So this is the perfect supplement for building back energy, improving your mood, helping your skin, give it that glow, and also it has the added benefit of increasing your libido, ladies. So guys, you can look into this product. This is their supplement, their healthy supplement at ancientbliss.com. That's their website. So that is where you're gonna order it. So it's www.ancientbliss.com. Now, before we get into all of that, let me tell you what I like about the packaging. I like that it's very simple. I like that they have basically laid out what's in the supplement. It says that it's made of 800 milligrams of organic Irish sea moss and also organic bladderwrack, which is a supplement also in addition to the Irish sea moss, which is helpful for building energy and also to balance your immune system so that you're not always feeling low or tired or getting ill so often. So it's a very good overall supplement, and that's pretty much all that's in this package, organic. So I love that, and I'm really looking forward to trying this. It says that you need to take 2 capsules a day, and it has 120 capsules. So there's enough in this for, do the math, people. Yeah, what's that? 60 days, that's 2 months, right? So I think this is a good deal. Now let me show you guys what the capsules look like. It comes in a sealed container, so if it's not sealed, then and so to avoid that, go to ancientbliss.com, go to their website and order directly from their website. Now I have kind of started pulling this thing off for ease, but these are what the capsules look like. Wow, these are not bad. I am actually seeing the contents, like the powdered form of the sea moss and the bladderwrack roots in the capsules. So I like that. I don't have to be guessing what's in the capsule. I don't have to be guessing what's in the bottle, and so this is essentially it, a wellness supplement that for men and women that they can take daily. So I'm looking forward to taking this and boosting my energy, libido, my immune system, everything, and also of course being able to fit in my fabulous new clothes. So I am going to be taking this supplement with Ancient Bliss, and they also have other supplements on their website at www.ancientbliss.com, but this is the one that I'll be trying, and I'm looking forward to seeing good results. I will let you know in a follow-up video, but it seems like a good product, and it's pretty clear what's on the package, very clearly labeled, and yeah, made in Austin, Texas, USA made. So I'm about to try this. For persons who want to order, just go on their website and you can see other supplements that you may want to try out. So this has been my product unboxing of the Ancient Bliss SEAMOSS with bladder rack root. It's their daily multi-mineral supplement, so you can take this every day. So this has been my product unboxing. So until next time, ciao.